suit sets. Absolutely beautiful because of the colors. Again, they are all pastel colors, very beautiful colors. Not much of complications on the top. It's just worked dupatta. The top and the bottom is plain, and that's what it actually makes it look so elegant with the color that they are in, and with its simplicity it gives you a real elegant, simple, ethnic look. And you can actually go about with your stitching creativity, because the top and the bottom is plain. The top, as you can see, is just simple plain top. The bottom is in shantoon bottom, which is like that soft satinish silky feel bottom. Okay, a very nice bottom for you to stitch a salwar bottom or a cigar bottom, or even when it comes to parallel straight cut bottoms, angle length bottoms. Perfect fabric for any type of bottom that you want to go for. So basically in these suit sets, all the top and the bottom is of the same shade. Okay, so here I have this beautiful shade of orange. It's a lovely shade of orange, guys. Very pretty. It's like a mix of peach and orange, so a beautiful color. So basically your top and the bottom is plain, and your dupatta is actually worked. So you have this dupatta with this beautiful thread worked with golden threads. Let me just show you. Okay, so in the video it might not look golden, but we have these golden threads along with these self-colored thread work floral design running along the borders of the dupatta. And also you can see these small butta work which is also there on the body of the dupatta, and we also have tassels at the end. So this is basically your dupatta, which is the best part of the whole suit. Okay, you have plain top and bottom with the work to dupatta. So very simple but very elegant. Now here we have the next color, which is in this beautiful yellow tone, a beautiful baby yellow, pastel yellow tone. I think in the video it may not look it may look creamish, but it's a beautiful light yellow shade. Please do check the picture posting to see the actual colors. I will try and get you the actual colors in the picture. So because it's pretty cloudy outside now, the light is a little different, so that's why I'm not able to capture the exact color. So here what I have is a beautiful yellow color. It's a baby yellow. Those of you who've been looking for yellow suits, I know many of you have been asking me for yellow suits. This is a beautiful color, baby yellow. That's the color. And the top and the bottom, as I told you before, is absolutely plain. Now the next one here is this gorgeous light pista green or apple green shade. Beautifully light toned green shade. Top is plain, bottom is in this shantoon silk bottom, same shade. It's exactly the same shade. And dupatta is this worked dupatta, very pretty thread worked dupatta, very beautiful dupatta. You can actually stitch that kind of straight parallel bottom and a round closed neck, depending on the pattern that suits you best. You can just wear it just like that and look really pretty. Now the last color that I have for you is again this beautiful baby pink, which is most favorite of many of us. So here we go. We have this beautiful pink. Again, nothing much to explain. Top and bottom is plain, and dupatta is this beautiful threadwork dupatta with tassels at the end. Very pretty, simple suit sets which you can use for your casual outings as well as for a party wear, and depending on your creativity in stitching and how you team it up with your accessories. So that's the suit sets for you guys. You can take a look at the picture posting and get back to me for the price and booking. Thank you so much, guys. Take care.